Now come to question number 11. A circle of radius 2 cm is cut from a square piece of aluminum sheet of side 6 cm. What is the area of leftover aluminum sheet? Take pi equal to 3.14. See solution of question number 11. Solution of question number 11. Here what is given to you? Radius of circle. Radius of circle equal to 2 cm. Therefore, area of circle equal to pi r square. Value of pi is 3.14 into radius 2. It is 2 into 2 centimeter square. You will get 12.56 centimeter square. Now length of square aluminum sheet equal to 6 centimeter. Therefore, area of square aluminum sheet equal to side into side. That is 6 centimeter into 6 centimeter. Multiply it, you will get 36 centimeter square. Therefore, area of remaining aluminum sheet, therefore area of remaining aluminium sheet equal to 36 centimeter square minus 12.56 centimeter square. Subtract it, it is 23.44 centimeter square. This is your answer. Now come to solution of question number 12. In question number 12, the circumference of a circle is 31.4 centimeter. find the radius and area of the circle. Take pi equal to 3.14. See the solution of question number 12. Here circumference of a circle equal to 31.4 centimeter. How will you find circumference of circle? It is 2 pi r equal to 31.4 centimeter. Here put the value of pi and find the value of r. The 2 into value of pi is 3.14 into r equal to 31.4. From here find the value of r equal to 31.4 upon 2 into 3.14. Here remove the decimal. If you remove this decimal, in the denominator you have to multiply it by 10. If you remove this decimal, in the numerator you have to multiply it by 100. Now solve this. The 314 will be cancelled by 314. Now 10 will be cancelled by 10, and by 2, 2 1 ja, 2 5 ja 10. Therefore radius will be 5 centimeter. Therefore radius of circle equal to 5 centimeter. Now you have to find out area of circle. Therefore area of circle equal to pi r square. Put the value of pi and r. Value of pi is 3.14 into r is 5. 5 into 5 centimeter square equal to 78.5 centimeter square. This is your answer. Now come to question number 13. A circular flower bed is surrounded by a path 4 meter wide. The diameter of the flower bed is 66 meter. What is the area of this path? Take pi equal to 3.14. Here in this figure, diameter of flower bed it is 66 meter and width of path it is 4 meter. To see the solution, here diameter of flower bed diameter of the flower bed equal to 66 meter. Therefore, radius of the flower bed equal to half of diameter. Diameter is 66 upon 2 meter. Simplify this. We will get 33 meter. Width of path it is 4 meter. Therefore, radius of flower bed with path (33 plus 4 meter), that is 37 meter. Let us take this radius as capital R and this radius as small r. Let us find out area of flower bed with path. Area of flower bed with path equal to pi capital R square. Value of pi is 3.14 into 37 into 37 meter square. Multiply it, you will get 4298.66 meter square. Now area of flower bed it is pi small r square. Value of pi is 3.14 and value of small r is 33. 33 into 33 meter square. Solve this. You will get 3419.46 meter square. Therefore, area path equal to area of flower bed with path, that is 4298.66 meter square minus area of flower bed, that is 419.46 meters square. Now subtract it, you will get 879.2 meters square. This is your answer.